Hello, welcome to the View Student Program Plan training video. In this video, I will be explaining the Student Program Plan page in PeopleSoft for those that have view-only access to this page. Navigation to the Student Program Plan page is Records and Enrollment, Career and Program Information, Student Program Plan. In order to truly make sense of the Student Program Plan page, you need to learn how the PeopleSoft academic structure applies to a student's record. Learning this relationship begins first with an understanding of a few key program plan points and definitions. Please pause this video and click on the below link. This link will take you to the PeopleSoft Student Program Plan Guide, where this information can be found. Once you spend some time learning these points, return to the video, and I will take you through the pages. Welcome back. Once you are logged into PeopleSoft, click on Record and Enrollment, Career and Program Information, Student Program Plan. Simply enter the student ID you'd like to search. Click on Search. As you can see, the search results show 3 rows. One for career number 0, one for career number 1, and one for career number 2. As you will recall in the guide, each student career number represents an instance when a student was admitted into a program. So for career number 0, the student was admitted into undergraduate engineering. Career number 1, undergraduate arts and sciences. And career number 2, undergraduate UU-CIS. Let's first start with the undergraduate engineering record. When entering this page, you'll see the latest transaction that was completed for that student for that career number. In this case, it was a discontinue. I first want to show you another way to navigate to the different career numbers. You can use the Previous in List and the Next in List buttons to go from one career number to the next. As you can see, we are currently on career number 0. If I click on Previous in List, it will take me to career number 1. If I click Previous in List again, it will take me to career number 2. It's just another way to navigate through the career numbers. Let's go back to undergraduate engineering. A few fields that you really need to pay attention to on this page include the status, the program action, the program, admit term, requirement term, and expected grad term. These are all fairly straightforward. But let's click on View All to see how the program plan stack is built. Once clicking on View All, scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see that this student was an applicant, where they applied as undergraduate engineering to be admitted into term 2141. The next status you will see is that the student was admitted in undergraduate engineering for term 2141. Scroll up to the next status. Pre-matriculate undergraduate engineering term 2141. The next status is matriculation undergraduate engineering term 2141. This is when a student becomes active in a program. There was a plan change. Then the students discontinue. Let's go back to View 1. Now I would like to take you to the Student Plan tab to explain a little bit more about the plans. Once in the Student Plan tab, a better example would be to go to the Undergraduate Arts and Sciences record. So click on the Previous in List to show your career number 1. Career number 1 for this student, you'll see, has one of 4 rows. This means that the student is currently active in 4 separate plans. The plan consists of a major, a minor, or a certificate. This student is currently active in a studio arts minor, a historic preservation minor, a French minor, and also an architectural studies major. You can toggle back and forth by clicking on View 1 or View All. You can also click the next arrow to view individual plans that the student is active in. Next, let's go to the Student's Subplan tab. On this tab, any student subplans in which a current student is active will display. Subplans consist of concentrations, or tracks, or intended majors. This particular student, as you'll see, is also active in a design track. One other tab that is important to view whenever given the opportunity is the Student Degrees tab. This is the tab that you can view to see if a student has applied for graduation. If a student has applied for graduation, you will see the degree checkout status of applied. Let's check out the previous row, so I can show you an example of when the student's not applied. As you can see, on this row there is no applied entry for the degree check-on status. Questions or additional training requests, please contact the Enrollment Services area within the Office of the University Registrar at 412-624-7649. Or email us at registration@registrar.pitt.edu.